How to close an Old Navy credit card account online. So to close an Old Navy credit card account online, you'll need to log into your Barclays online account and submit a secure message requesting cancellation. So if you choose the online method which I just covered, that is log into your Barclays account on Barclays website and navigate to the contact us or secure message section. And from over there you can just submit a message requesting the cancellation of your Old Navy credit card account, or you can also contact them by your phone by simply tapping on the call us button over here just like this, and just follow the prompts to verify your identity. You'll likely need your account number and social security number and ask to speak with a representative or request a cancellation of your account. So another way you can also do is you can just write a mail or letter to Barclays requesting account cancellation and include your account number, full name and address, and send the letter to card services with post office box number 8801 Wilmington. And there you go guys, that is exactly how we can easily close an Old Navy credit card account online. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.